Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Intex PureSpa 4-person hot tub spa and replacement cover package. This Intex PureSpa portable hot tub provides simple maintenance with two easy-to-replace filter cartridges for clean, refreshing spa water, and the built-in hard water treatment system makes water gentler on the skin for a soothing experience. The cover will help you save 50% more energy, which will save you an average of $288 per year. This PureSpa is easy to throw on your backyard oasis after a nice long soak, so you won't have to worry about working up a sweat. Product benefits: pamper yourself in relaxing heated water surrounded by soothing bubble jets. Cover keeps your hot tub toasty warm in between uses, saving energy and saving you money. The easy-to-use control panel activates the 140 high-powered bubble jets surrounding the interior of the spa for a refreshing massage. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.